What's going on, guys? Joe here from ForgeWorks Bottle Axes. Today on Meet the Press, we're going to meet the press. Meet the press. We're going to meet the press. Who the hell wrote this shit?
I wrote it. You don't like it?
It's fantastic. You're all fired. So you guys will notice I finally have a fully functioning press behind me. This has been a really long road trying to get this piece of gear together. Originally, I was going to build the piece from scratch. If you guys remember a little while back, I had reported that there was a business in Greeley going out of business. I got involved in the online auction and I was able to get that angle iron shear. I got this thing for a great price, and it also came along with an alligator shear. Couldn't be happier with my purchase. Once we were able to pick it up and bring it and set it in the shop, I realized just how important that angle iron shear would be to me. And I've decided to just keep that piece of gear and use it just as is. But the main angle iron shear needed some work. That's the piece I wanted to turn into a press.
I'll start by cutting off the machine tube that's currently attached to the angle shear die. This piece attaches to the cylinder. I'll go ahead and weld that onto a piece of 2x4 solid bar. Then I'll cut out 4 gussets from a piece of 1/4-inch steel for additional support, and I'll weld those to the cylinder and the 2x4. I'll also add a piece of 1/4-inch flat bar to the sides and 1/4-inch flat bar to the bottom for the retainer system. All of the dies will be made from 1/2-inch flat bar by 4 inches wide. These pieces can now slide into the upper die mount. For the bottom die mount, there are 2 pieces of 3/8-inch angle iron steel at the base of the press. The bottom die mount will just drop in over that. I will cut in 4 elongated passes for the bottom die mount just to drop in place. The bottom dies will also be the same standard size of 1/2 inch by 4 inches. Gravity will hold the bottom dies in. When all is said and done, here's me eating a nice sausage sandwich. Let's get to work. First things first, I needed to get 3-phase power to this thing, which my shop doesn't have. Went ahead and picked up a variable frequency drive, got this thing powered up. Here's the angle shear cutting 1/2 inch by 4 inch die plates. Now I'll get to work on the dies. So, here's the 2-inch by 4-inch solid steel bar. This stuff's nasty. I can't cut it with my plasma cutter or my angle grinder. When I put it in the bandsaw, it snaps the blades halfway through the cut. So, I'm going to try an ancient steel cutting technique. Hoo-yah! The 2-inch mild steel karate chop. Wah! Hey, this old Tony, what's going on? Well, I know it's your bit, but the telephone bit's yours too? So here are the 4x8 die plates fitting into the die mounts. These will be the basis for all the die plates I make in the future. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and make a set of flattening dies out of the 2x4 bar. Yeah, I know it's mild steel and it's not going to be the greatest and they'll wear out fast. But for right now, this is what I got. Plate's done. We'll do a quick test run. Seems to be in working order. Now, I'm going to go ahead and clean this thing up, get some color on it.
Well, now that she's all up and functioning, I got a nice set of flattening dies in there. Let's crush some. Okay, how about a cupcake? Oh, cupcakes. Here we go. Oh. What happened to my cupcake? There's nothing left. When life gives you lemons, oh, that's nasty. I don't want to clean this up. That's baloney. Oh man, that's f***ing nasty. Oh man. Oh, it's broken. It's got baloney in it. It doesn't work. It's got baloney in it now. Honey, I can't get the last little bit of toothpaste out of the container. No problem. Ah, Play-Doh. Play-Doh. Oh. Okay, it's starting to smell in here a little bit. Oh, it's all dripping with nasty shit. Everybody meet Wilson. I think Wilson wants a beer. Oh. Uh-oh. That's gonna make a mess. Wilson! I'm sorry, Wilson! Well guys, as always, this has been a shitload of fun. It kind of smells in here, so I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. Kind of stinks like lemon toothpaste bologna beer. But yeah, next time we'll do a video, we'll actually put some metal in here and start crushing it. So as always, thanks for watching.